Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy ZZ Reps here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm not doing Minecraft or any gaming today. Today I'm gonna show you how to tweak Windows for gaming and improving your performance in general, so you can increase it, so you get better frame rates, better frame times, and less input lag. So alright, we will be going over like 5 tips on how you can improve Windows for gaming. Alright, so yeah, let's get in the video. Alright guys, so let's go over the first tip. The first tips is optimizing your graphics software. For me, I have AMD. If you're an NVIDIA user, you can skip this method. If you're an AMD user, well, you can stick around and follow this guide. All you want to do now is right click anywhere on your desktop, and you should see this icon, the AMD Radeon Software, AMD Radeon icon. If you don't see it, I will provide a link down below so you can download the AMD Radeon software. Alright, so let's go. Right click and click on the AMD Radeon software icon, and this will appear. And what you want to do right now is hover your mouse to this gear icon, click it, and what you want to do first is check for updates, because staying up to date, it's good, because the software can optimize games and stuff. Alright, so after you check for updates, you update it and it's up to date, you can follow this tip now. First, go to graphics, and at default it's going to be set at standard, but you want to set it to esports because it's so good. Trust me, it's so good. It enables Radeon anti-lag, which completely eliminates input lag or just decreases it, and the image sharpening, so it's really good for gaming. So if you use your computer for gaming in general, so it's best to turn this setting. So yeah, that's it. And what you want to do is go to click on gaming here, select any game, doesn't matter. I'm just gonna go with CSGO here. I'm just gonna select CSGO. What you want to do now is tune game performance. So do this at your own risk. I'm not gonna do this because I don't know how my GPU is gonna perform if I overclock it, but do this at your own risk. This is only available for AMD users. If you're an NVIDIA user, you can skip. I will do a NVIDIA and AMD tutorial with a software later on the video. So yeah, you just set it to manual, and graphics tuning, set it on, and just control that whatever you want. I'm gonna discard the changes. Alright, so that's basically it for the AMD software. So yeah, let's move on to the next tip. Alright, so the next tip is optimizing your TCP settings, or what like that, and increasing system responsiveness by using this program called TCP Optimizer. I will provide a link as well in the description to download TCP Optimizer. So what you want to do is there should be a desktop icon, but I didn't enable it, so I have to search it in the search bar like this. Type in TCP Optimizer.exe, here it is, and click on Run as Administrator. This is safe, guys. We're just changing the settings that click on this button, custom, and click that, and network throttling index, set it to disabled, System responsiveness set it to gaming 0, so it'll be very responsive. TCP ACK frequency set it to disable. TCP no delay, enable that. TCP DEL ACK ticks, disable that. And I think that's it for TCP Optimizer. So yeah, if you applied these settings, you gotta restart. Just click on apply changes. I already did, so I'm just gonna select the current and click on exit. So you gotta restart your system. So you just restart the system, and boom, those changes are applied. So if those changes are applied, your system, you notice that your system is really like responsive or something. So yeah, I'm gonna go exit. Alright, so let's move on to the next tip, I guess. Alright guys, the next tip is disabling unnecessary animations that Windows sets on default. So first things what you want to do is type in your search bar view advanced system settings, and here it is. You want to click on this there's this performance tab here. You want to click on settings here, and what you want to do, performance options, you want to select adjust for best performance and click on apply. Now you're gonna notice your Windows looks terrible. Yes, I mean, for performance you gotta sacrifice some quality per performance. So yeah, there's this other thing that is useless. It's called transparency effects. So it's completely optional. If you guys want to disable it, I think it increases your performance a little bit. How you do it is just go type here settings, or you can right click your Windows icon here, right click, and where is it, settings, there we go, right here. And what you want to do is type in search transparency in Windows and disable transparency effects. Yeah, and that's done. Alright guys, so for our fourth tip is disabling game mode. This is a really good choice for AMD users. So for Nvidia, I don't know if it stutters, but for AMD it stutters a lot if you turn on game mode. So how to turn off game mode? It's simple. Hover your mouse to this bottom left of your monitor screen and right click and click on settings. And what you want to do is now click here, says where it says gaming, there's an Xbox icon, and click on Xbox game bar. Disable that, because use OBS. I'll provide a link down below to download OBS. Don't use Xbox game bar. It's not really good. OBS is better. Captures and stuff. Here's game mode. Just disable game mode. Disable game mode, and you're pretty much done. So let's move on to the final and last tip. Oh yeah, there's a bonus tip at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around. Alright guys, so for this last tip, we're gonna be disabling hardware acceleration on Google Chrome. But if you play games on Google Chrome, it's not really recommended. So if you don't, well, this is a really good option to turn on. Open Google Chrome, and then there's this 3 dots here in your top right. Click on settings and search settings, and you want to type in hardware acceleration. And here is hardware acceleration. Just disable that and relaunch Google Chrome. And Google Chrome is relaunched. Now you're good to go. Oh yeah, there's an option as well called disable hardware acceleration on Discord. Make sure to disable that. So yeah, if you did that already, yeah, congrats. Now once you finish, congrats, you fully optimized Windows for better performance and stuff. So yeah, if you wanna go on the bonus tip, if you wanna try out the bonus tip, keep in mind, do this at your own risk, because overclocking may damage your hardware, but it's really good to increase graphics performance and gaming performance and stuff. So yeah, let's move on to the bonus tip. Guys, so yeah, here's the bonus tip for the video. So by installing MSI Afterburner, please do keep in mind, this is do it at your own risk, okay? So if you want to do it, and go ahead, follow the tutorial. So let's go. If you guys want to download MSI Afterburner, make sure to download it in the description. I'll provide the link. So here's MSI Afterburner. Just change the core clock and memory clock and fan speed. That's it. Just click on apply. That's it. If you set it to too much, it might damage your hardware. So I wouldn't do that. If I was you, I wouldn't do that. So yeah. See you guys in the next video.